System files corrupted by the Alps Pointing Device Driver DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. As we prepare to resolve Alps Pointing Device Driver, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Alps Pointing Device Driver, the core driver library for Alps Touchpad devices, commonly found on laptops from Dell and Sony. It manages multi-touch gestures and scrolling logic. If missing, the touchpad will function as a basic mouse only, and the Touchpad Settings tab will vanish from the mouse properties dialog. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now, so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Alps Pointing Device Driver. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Alps Pointing Device Driver file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install Alps Pointing Device Driver DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If Alps Pointing Device Driver is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Alps Pointing Device Driver workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.